Alrighty, welcome back to Ben Buckler Boards. So we've just received the new Armoured Hoodies 2020 edition from Lazyrolling. It's so exciting. These jackets are amazing and we're sending them out Australia-wide at the moment. And so Duncan's made a quick tutorial on how to put the armour in when you receive your Lazyrolling hoodie. I'm loving it. It's really nice and comfy. You've got elbow padding, shoulder padding and back padding. And then you've also got this nice thumb hole, so that'll keep your sleeve up and on your arm if you ever want to go sliding in the gravel. Brilliant hoodie. Can't wait to try it out while I'm riding. Thanks very much.
So when you receive your Lazyrolling armored hoodie, you receive the actual hoodie. This one's a black, you can get other colors. You receive the backplate, armored backplate, and 4 of these, which are for the elbows and shoulders. They are all the same, so it doesn't matter if you mix them up. First thing to do is to open your hoodie, obviously. And you can see you've got all these pockets in, so this is for the back. You've got some Velcro here. And then inside the sleeves, you got this pocket for the elbow and this pocket for the shoulder armor. So yeah, take the sleeves inside out to make it easier. There you go. So once your hoodie is open, you want to put the back plate this way, the yellow facing up. And what you can do is you can actually sort of roll it onto itself. Not too tight, because it will deform, but it won't break as it's iron-packed foam. So once you have it rolled like this, you can easily insert it in the bottom hole. And just go nice and slow. And once it's all the way in, you can sort of just release it and it'll get its shape back. And then put the Velcro back. And then you can sort of shape it in. There you go. That's your back plate. Now for the elbows and shoulders. So I don't think it really matters which one you do first. I do the elbows first usually. And so you want the round part to be at the top, because on your elbow you want it to cover your arm like this. It's really bendy. And there are multiple sets of Velcro in there that you can, it's just that if you lift them all up, then you can slide the pad in up more towards this side or more towards this side. It's just up to personal preference and how long your arm is. So for this, you just have to remove all this Velcro, and this is really bendy, so you can fold it like so and insert it. This is easier than the back plate, and then you can just push and it goes in nicely. There you go. And then make sure to put the Velcro back on, and as I said, if you want, you can lift this Velcro up to sort of move this around, but you can do that after you've tried it on to see where it sits better on your arm. And it's the same for the elbow, except for the shoulder, sorry, except that shoulder comes in from the top, and same thing, you want this on the top of your shoulder, this covering the bottom, so you just want to slide in like this. And same, just sort of fold it and push it in as you go. There. Velcro's back on. Adjustment Velcro bottom here. you can adjust to your preference. I'm gonna push it down a little bit. There you go. And then just need to pull the sleeve right back the right way. So it's a bit harder now that it's armored. There. Armored hoodie. Now I just need to do the other arm. And there we go. That's how you put your pads in your Lazyrolling armored hoodie. And now you've got elbows, elbow, shoulder, back, elbow, shoulder. These are really nice. There you go.
Hey, this is a size small hoodie.
What? How good is this new hoodie from Lazyrolling? You've got full armor in the elbow, in the shoulders, and on the back. You've got a really cool hoodie, so you can walk in to any supermarket and not look like you're gonna take over the place. But you can go for a good roll on the gravel. So comfy. You got pockets here, pockets with zips. This means things won't fall out of your pockets while you're riding. That's really cool. Thanks a lot, Lazyrolling, for organising this. Jackets are coming in all the time at the moment. We're getting orders out as quick as we possibly can. Alrighty, so thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful. Thanks a lot, Duncan, for making the video, and thanks Lazyrolling for making this awesome hoodie. So subscribe if you like the video. Well, press the like button. That's pretty easy. And let us know if you have any questions in the comments. We'll answer them for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.